This thing is awesome. 41 Movies pickup truck and a Dakota.
Yeah.
This is amazing. He was at Union Grove and I saw this. I was like, yeah, it's fucking bad.
Well, that thing just fits in there too. Holy cow. That's a V6.
Yep.
It just fits in there. He's got the fucking ABS brakes and everything on it, yeah.
Yeah, it's you just set the body on top of. That is so cool.
Made the door panels fucking work too. Wow. And the cluster and everything else. He put a lot of work into this fucking thing.
Right? So cool. Now this I would definitely trade the other one for all day.
Yeah, steel gauge.
Even the door handles.
Wow.
That's that is freaking cool.